Boy, I have absolutely loved getting into the repair and redeem business on YouTube, but man, I am making a huge mess. When I walk around in here, like I have to like watch everywhere step. The only clear path I have is kind of this. So I am going to transform this into the ultimate redeem and restore studio, and it's going to look great. In line with my redeem and restore philosophy, I bought some used Husky shelves. Those are in pretty good shape. So I got both of these shelves for $150 total. I'm going to go ahead, pressure wash those, dry them, clean them up, put them together. The shelves are going to go over there. I'm going to move everything away from that area. I'm going to put my shelves over there. And then I'm going to have a place to start putting my new and broken coffee machines and all of my equipment for repairing stuff. And eventually, I don't have one yet, but I'm going to be getting some kind of a tool chest, also hopefully secondhand because those things are super expensive. And a tool chest / work table. I'm going to be putting it over there next to my makeshift work area over there. And then once I finish cleaning this up, we'll get back to the business of redeeming things. I love the word redemption. I think it's really the key theme of this channel. All right, over and out. So enjoy some of the footage and let's see how this looks. Ta-da! I'm all done. I am going to give the floor a quick mop. So you didn't see that in the time lapse, but I'm going to do that. And I think it's looking really good for the first time in years, actually, in this garage. So I think the shelves were the key. So if any of you are out there having trouble organizing, I hope this video inspires you to do something about it. Yes, I did spend $150 on some used shelves, which I think look great, but I saw lots of shelves out there for under $50, so you can do it. So yeah, I think it looks great, and I'm looking forward to working in this wonderful space. So my first sale from Facebook Marketplace for one of my repaired Gaggias is going to be here any minute, so it's just in time to welcome him into this really nice looking space rather than what you saw before, which is pretty embarrassing. I'm sure it'll go well. And keep an eye out my other videos. It's that guy right there. There's a video coming up about how I bought it and how I'm going to flip it and see how I do on a single Gaggia. So yeah, go ahead, hit that subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Over and out.